Good morning, YouTube. This is Quentin. We're in my friend's garage looking today at the Liftmaster chain drive opener. I know I never made a garage door opener video in a while. I know that's an orange front loader washer and dryer. This is the button right there. Now let's open it up. Pretty nice. Okay, now let's go ahead and close it. Oh, I love the sound, what the closing is sounding like. There's a safety sensors right there. Really nice opener. See, I like the sounding how it makes. Okay, I'm gonna post this video on YouTube, so this is my favorite opener. So now let's do one final opening one last time. One final close, and I'll post this video on YouTube. I love the motor sound when it makes it. Really nice opener. Very nice opener. I love that opener a lot. Well, I like it how the closing is sounding. I know it looks a little bit newer. So let me ask someone. Hold on, YouTube. So can I ask someone?
I'm so glad you stayed.
What opener? When did you get the opener?
I got it about a year and a half ago.
Bye, girls. Is it 2016?
I think it is.
What do I do with my clip? Oh, I have my clip.
That's the garage.
Do you want to go out the garage?
I'll go out the garage.
Yes, I can close it. Thank you so much.
Look, did you hear the noise? Let's hear it from the outside.
Yeah.
Oh, it does click, yes. It is there.
Wait for all of us to get out, and
Yes.
then we'll hear the closing.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
It's over.
The door's squeaking. Yeah, and let's get a better viewing of the outside. Alright everyone, I'll post this video on YouTube. Check back soon and subscribe to the channel. Bye.